This is the place where they killed my pets. Officer R. Wickley, that's the way he calls himself. He came where I was. He took my almost 20 birds and he killed my pets without my permission. The only way I could have stopped him if I had a lawyer, and I didn't have a lawyer. They abuse their power. They take your pets and they put them to sleep, or they kill them. They call it euthanizing. These people are criminals. These people are criminals. They killed my animals without my permission. They should not abuse their power. They think that they can do whatever they want. They killed my pets. They killed my animals. This place here, North Central Animal Shelter. They killed my pets. They killed my animals. North Central Animal Service Center. That's what they call themselves. They killed my pets. These motherfuckers. These son of a bitches. These criminals, son of a bitches. They killed my pets. I hope they go to hell. Motherfuckers. I'm not sure if this is going to help to change anything. But I want people be aware of these organizations, what else they call themselves, that they can take your pet and kill him. It can be a dog, it can be a cat, it can be a bird. They take your animal without your permission and they kill him. These cockroaches. These are cockroaches. This one, hold on, this video. I'm not sure if this is going to help, but I want to create awareness that these people call themselves North Central Animal Shelter, abusing their power. They can take your pet and kill him just like this. These are criminals. These are cockroaches. I hope God does to them what they did to my pets. They killed my 20 birds. They took them away from me. They were in cages, properly cages. They took them away and they killed. These people here are cockroaches, motherfuckers, cockroaches. They're cockroaches. They're cockroaches.